Investor types, the time poor high earner. Okay, so you're a partner at Deloitte or an accountancy firm, you're a dentist, a lawyer, an accountant, maybe you're in the finance industry and we're always too embarrassed to ask about investing. The time poor high earner of the 6 categories of which investor are you? This one, in a way, is the one that I find the most frustrating because they work so hard, they've studied so hard, they got such a good solid income and they haven't managed to clone themselves. And they usually want to get out of the industry they're in. There might be a partner, they're exhausted, they're not spending enough time with their second wife, usually is the case. And now they're thinking, right, what do I do about all my investments? I've got this money and it's not growing. The IFA is making money out of it. I never hear from them. The wealth manager is making fees out of it. I'm sending their kids to private school, whereas mine I'm only seeing at weekends. What do I do? So for these, one video to watch, how to invest without spending hours analyzing the markets. This is where we show you how to get the data. So you've not using up more time because you don't have that time. Read a simple framework for making confident investment decisions, because again, you haven't got time, so we need a framework. Okay, and you understand frameworks because you're a professional. You might be lawyer, accountant, whatever. And finally, the lifestyle calculator. You want to know, because you want to maintain your lifestyle, okay, how much do I need? How much can I grow by to maintain the lifestyle that I've got at the moment? Now, the important thing about this is when you look at the free tools that we've got on there on alpeshpatel.com, and particularly the lifestyle calculator, you quickly realize when you play around with those numbers that a little bit of growth makes a massive difference to how much money you'll have in the end. Because the 2 other alternatives, I've said in the other videos, are not very attractive. The 2 other alternatives are save more money, i.e. spend less now, not attractive because you're going to have less money. Secondly, work longer. And you don't want to be doing that either. Increase growth in your portfolio is the closest thing you'll ever get to free money. Okay, so first of all, to make that decision, you need to work out, well, how much, so you don't overdo it or underdo it. And secondly, how? Okay, how much and how do you get that? And that's what alpeshpatel.com is all about, is how to improve that growth. Even by 1% makes a massive difference. So have a look at the website and you can reach out to me through that, get free educational pension portfolio review, amongst other free tools and resources on there as well. Okay, thank you.